Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your GoDaddy website theme. If you're looking to refresh your site's appearance or try out a completely new look, updating your theme is one of the quickest ways to transform your website's visual identity. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to GoDaddy.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to type in your credentials to log into your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to your GoDaddy dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your GoDaddy products and services. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Websites. This will take you to the section where you can manage all aspects of your website. Your website settings page will now open up. This is where you'll find all the tools and options for customizing and maintaining your site. From here, locate the Edit Website button on the right side part of your screen. Clicking this button will launch your GoDaddy Website Editor, which is the workspace where you can make changes to your site's design, content, and layout. Give it a moment to load completely before proceeding to the next step. Now that your GoDaddy Website Editor is open, it's time to access the theme options. Look at the top right part menu of your editor. You'll see a theme option prominently displayed there. Click on it to open the theme customization menu. This is your control center for all things related to your website's visual appearance. From the Themes menu that appears, you can change various elements of your website, including your theme, color scheme, fonts, and button styles. These options give you comprehensive control over how your site looks and feels to visitors. Now, to change the actual theme itself, click on the Browse Themes option from this menu. This will open up a gallery showcasing several theme templates that GoDaddy offers. Take your time browsing through the available options, as each theme has its own unique style and layout structure. Once you've found the theme you wish to use, simply click on the Select button located on the bottom right part of it. Your new theme will then be applied to your website, instantly updating its appearance. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GoDaddy website theme, giving your site a fresh new look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.